really letting your voice unfold. It is a very safe environment to be here. So you can really trust your intuition and your truth in the moment. And also have your own space to let your voice unfold with all that it is. So let yourself be embraced and held in your inner sacred voice of that. The more you can trust and accept whatever you sense in your cellular body, in your bones, in your skin, as these sounds are coming out, the more they will further heal you. The abdominal is going to open up to the abdominal, and then the chest muscles, and then how we can combine that, what is more our subconscious layers, this what we generate from dream time that wants to come out and also be expressed. This what we also generate from our reptilian brain, our instinctive self, that is so often shortcuts because we are busy in controlling our world, being ahead of ourselves and not having that harmony. So trust that when you do this healing song, that the sounds are speaking to you. Every cell in your body is a listening cell, but it is also a sound vibration. We are composed of vibrational energy, of sound and light. Our whole nervous system, all our organs, all our glands, body parts, everything, our brain is vibrating in sound vibration. So it's so powerful to tap into what do you need right now in this moment. Trust the healing that you just gave to yourself through that spontaneous, intuitive song. Let it resonate into all of your bones, all of your cells, and to places where you need it the most. You are rising voice, divine frequencies. How your voice can heal.